Duh. Oh, damn it, Yoshi. Oh no, Yoshi! Disintegrated! No! Don't be ridiculous, Smock! Get me off the squid. What? Yep! Oh god, Jesus. Oh no, no! Suck. Oh god, the camera's fucked up. Oh no! Dismount. Escape. Escape! No! Stay away from the kumquat! So, I mean, James Arnold Taylor is definitely gotten some voice roles since. Ha ha!